What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. It might be a good idea to add some Bitcoin to your portfolio in case it skyrockets in value again. That's not to say you should invest any of your own real money or do any work to acquire it.
Play it cool.
I've been using the Cryptotab Browser app, stacked under current rewards and honey gain, to start making some Satoshi. It's like current rewards in that you have to keep checking in every so often to continue earning. To be honest, I've been forgetting to do this most of the time, so today I'd like to find out how much this app actually earns per day. It's 11 AM now, so let's go. This is the free version of the app, by the way, not the one where you pay to increase your earning rate. If you're new to cryptocurrency, don't let people confuse you with lectures about different types of hardware wallets. This might prevent you from actually taking action. You just need an online wallet to get started. Coinbase is a reputable wallet.
Well, that settles it.
By 11 PM, it has generated 113 Satoshi, which is approximately 5p. That's not so good when considered in isolation, but for something you can run underneath other higher paying apps, it is helpful.
I like to think we've made a difference today.
Now to cash out my first dollar and see how long it takes. It's easier to enter my wallet address on the desktop version of the app. I don't mind on the computer though, because it uses CPU and increases electricity costs. I had to wait one business day plus the weekend for it to arrive. There it is in Coinbase. If you'd like to join my mining network, I've left a referral link in the description. Thanks for supporting my channel by watching the videos in full. I'll see you again soon with some more lazy money making tips.